Silicone sleeves are available in many varieties. Today I will use the same light strip, mounted on different silicone sleeves. Let's see if there is any difference in their effects. Before starting, make sure my lights are lit normally. Then thread it into the casing. This is the glowing casing. The effect is very good, and it will be more obvious if it is an SMD light strip. Let's try another casing. This one is also square, but the size is different. Works great too. Let's replace it with a solid black casing. Let's go in and see. You can clearly see that the lights are dimmed. The color temperature also changed from the original white to warm white. This casing is only used in certain circumstances. Next, this casing is side lit. It changes the direction of the light. Clearly its lights have changed 90 degrees. This is also equivalent to changing the bending direction of the light strip. This casing has a wide range of applications. The casing shown next is quite special. This is a new type of silicone sleeve. It doesn't require threading light strips in. Just fix the light strip, and then cover the casing. If your installation location is to open the installation slot, then this casing is your best choice. It can greatly reduce the difficulty of installation. You can also change the light strip at any time. Also available in different sizes. The specific installation method can be seen in my other video, or contact me for details. Next, let's take a look at this round silicone tube. It glows 360 degrees. Have to be aware of is, it must be fitted with 2 light strips to 360 light. If only one light strip is installed, it will only emit light at 180 degrees. Let's light up and see. Perfect, works great.